Got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast when he's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me. It's the way that he moves.
Hey guys, welcome back to Watch Me Clean Wednesday. If you are new, I am Jessica, and every Wednesday I do a cleaning video. Today I am going to do an all upstairs cleaning video where I just clean the upstairs of my home. So I'm starting off in my girls' bathroom, and I'm using this new Clorox Scentivia in that scent that I just showed you. I have been a fan of the Clorox Scentivia since they came out with their first scents, but this one is a new scent. I actually had a subscriber send me a message on Instagram and share that with me, so thank you so much. I finally found it, and I really like this scent. I think I like it better than the pink one. I can't remember what it's called. That one is my favorite, but now I think this one is. But it is just a really good kind of multi-purpose cleaner. You can't really use it on everything, but I like to use it in the bathrooms and on the countertops and stuff because it is a disinfectant. It does smell really nice, and so yeah, I'm a big fan. I'll try to find it and link it for you guys in the description box if I can, but I had a hard time finding it online. I ended up finding it on Target.com, so I will try and link that for you guys. But yeah, I'm just getting started in the girls' bathroom. As you can see, it is pretty gross. My 10-year-old is basically a teenage boy, I think, so her bathroom gets gross really quickly. So I'm going to scrub that down and then get started on the rest of the upstairs.
I say yeah. I wanna now. Yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter.
So on this particular day, her toilet was clogged up. We have a lot of issues with this toilet. It gets clogged very easily and very often. So I was unclogging it really quickly, and then I just put the plunger in the bathtub because I'm going to disinfect and clean it in there. But I was just using my Clorox toilet wands to scrub out the toilet. I love these things. If you've been with me for a while, you know that I've switched completely over to them and thrown out the old-fashioned toilet bowl cleaner. I can never go back. These are awesome, and the refills last forever because they come in a pack of, like, I want to say 12. I could be way off, maybe more, but they last for a really long time, and so I love them, and that's what I was using there. And then I'm just using the Clorox Scentivia on the toilet, and I'm scrubbing that down really good, and then I'm going to go ahead and clean her bathtub.
Moving your feet on the dance floor, and you don't care a thing.
So I just used that comment that you've seen to spray it down. I wanted to give it a really good cleaning because, like I said, it was pretty gross. But what I have in that wand there is actually a Dollar Tree dish wand, and I just have Dawn dish soap in there. I use that in all of our showers and bathtubs, and I leave it in there. It's just really convenient, and it does a great job. And then I just replace the heads or the whole wand as needed. But I do like that comment stuff for breaking up the soap scum. That green one is the original though, and it is very strong, and the chemicals will burn your nose, so I don't recommend the green one at all. I'm just trying to finish it up. I actually love the lavender one though, and a lot of times you can find that at the Dollar Tree. It's really inexpensive. Even at Walmart, I feel like it's less than $2. The lavender one smells really good, and it's not as harsh. It doesn't burn my nose at all, actually. So if you want to try the comment, I highly recommend getting the purple or the lavender. The original one is a great cleaning product, but it is really hard, so I don't like it, and I will not repurchase it. But I wanted to just finish up the one that I have.
Ooh, with my body. We can never go back this road. We can never go back that way. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move with your body? We wanna go on our own. We wanna go night and day. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move with your body?
And just because I know someone will say something that is a different rag than I'm using on the floor, I use multiple rags when I clean rooms. Sometimes they look the same, but I promise they are different. So I'm all done in here, and now I'm going to go ahead and move on to our family room.
I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you, what things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out before I'm too invested.
So we do not spend a whole lot of time in this room. The girls spend a lot of their time in there, as you can see. I don't really like this room. It doesn't give me a sense of peace when I'm up there because it's kind of just a mix match of furniture and then all of the toys. It's crazy, and I just cannot relax up there. Sometimes we'll go up there and watch a movie or something like that, but other than that, it's pretty much just a huge playroom for the girls, so it gets really gross really fast. And as you can see, I moved our old tables up there just for now. I don't know yet if I'm going to leave them because it is kind of crowded, but yeah, you guys don't see this room a whole lot, and that's why, because I don't spend a lot of time up here because it normally looks like Toys R Us threw up in it. So yeah, now you know, but I made Maddie help me pick it up, and of course I tried to get Kinsley to help too, but at this point I just try to encourage her to help, but I don't make her.
I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Why can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? Will you let me down before I'm too invested? You should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? Yeah. La 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 before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. You're not rising. You're not rising. I'm a butterfly who has only begun. Taking me a while to get it. Had to live and cry to appreciate life, and what you give is worth it. When you're holding me, when you hold me so close, I want further in under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. You're not rising. You're not rising. And let me tell you what I found. Leaving everything behind, knowing there is more in life that I want. Now I wanna embrace life, you and I side by side, knowing there is more in life that I want. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to
So now I'm cleaning Kinsley's room, and I just wanted to tell you that this is just a brown curtain, kind of like a blackout curtain on a tension rod, and I keep that up there to help her sleep better in the mornings because the sun comes up really early and really bright into her room, and I prefer not to get up at the crack of dawn, so I just put that curtain up there and it helps her to sleep longer, and it also works great for nap time. So just a little tip for moms, if you wanted to use that, you can get those little tension rods at Walmart and just get you like a black curtain or anything that specifies that it's a blackout curtain, and then you can put it up there and it will save you from getting up at 5 a.m. or hopefully it will. It does me, and then it's great for nap time, and it also helps to keep the room cooler as well. It's really hot here now. It's like 100 degrees every day, and it just helps to keep her room cooler. It does get really hot in her room, especially with it being upstairs. So yeah, that's just a tip for you. And then I'm putting some Scentsy in there. That is baby powder, I think, or baby nursery, and I'm putting that in her little Scentsy, and then just dusting her furniture down real quick, and I'm gonna vacuum, and then I'll be done in her room.
Taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and me. We can never fall, nobody could break us, yeah, I thought we had it.
I do have an entire video dedicated to Kinsley's room explaining where I got everything, the paint color and all that, so if you have any questions about that, I will try and have a card go across now so you can click on that when you are done, or you could go back to it, whatever, and watch that video, and then hopefully that will answer any questions you have about her room.
Right now, I'm looking at an old picture of you. Skinny jeans and blue eyes that could light up every room. Guess they still do. We used to talk all night about how we thought life was gonna be. I told you it'd be alright as long as I could have you next to me. I wish that I could live that dream again. 'Cause it was only you and me back then. said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love and nothing.
So while I was out there cleaning the hallway and cleaning Kinsley's room, Madeline was in her room cleaning her room, and I didn't even tell her to do that. So it was a surprise when I walked in there and saw that she had already picked everything up for me. So all I had to do was vacuum, and then I went ahead and made her dust. Normally we would dust before we vacuum, but in this case we were just wanting to get everything done and tidied up really quick. So I vacuumed, and then she wiped down her furniture and it was all clean. So that was my upstairs cleaning routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know you don't see the upstairs of my house too often. It is not really somewhere that I like to clean, so when I do clean it, I usually don't film. I just want to get it done. And Madeline does help me a ton with the upstairs, so that's another reason. But like the family room is usually her chore, but I wanted to really clean it that day, so I helped. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed. If you're new, please subscribe. It really does help me, and then you won't miss out on any future videos. I do a cleaning video every Wednesday, and then I do something different on other days of the week. So don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and leave me some love in the comments, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
We could never fall, nobody could break us. Yeah, I thought we had it all.